Good afternoon from sunny Netherlands, and well, today we have some special bikes we picked up from a collection, and they have the old-fashioned horn. Well, this is a Norton flat tanker from 1920, and it's the model 16H, and well, it's the first one we have in. So we're going to unload it, going to inspect the bike and get it up and running. And then here we have a Rally 1924, and it's also a very rare bike, and it's they both look amazing. A lot of dust on it, and but okay, let's get them out. Nice piece of history. 106 years old, eh? How cool is that? I'll put it here. Cool. Yes, so we're going to start up the bike. Can take a couple of weeks, and I can't wait to hear this engine, of course. Beautiful. Gears on the right side here. All these parts looking really cool, original. Patina with some dust. Well, if you're interested in this bike, you can contact us, of course, and we'll clean the bike, get it running, and more videos will follow and pictures. Okay, let's get the other one out. Thank you, bye bye.